Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a glamorous Hollywood lighted mirror for less than $5. Thanks for spending time with me. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here are the materials you will need for this project. You will find them in the description below. Let's begin with one of the new 8x10 mirrors from Dollar Tree. I'm removing the mirror from its frame and will spray paint the frame with Rustoleum High Gloss White Spray Paint. I will also spray paint the flower mesh I'm using as embellishment in this project. While the spray paint dries, I will now prepare 2 packs of the silver glitter ball string lights. There are only 6 lights per string. That is why you'll need 2 packs to fit around the frame. First, I will lay out my string lights, install the AA batteries to each battery pack as demonstrated. There is plenty of glitter fallout. Therefore, my plan is to sandpaper the majority of the glitter off and leave a hint of it on for a slight glitter effect. But before doing that, because the wires are black, I will spray paint them white, first easily removing the balls and taping the LED lights. As the wires dry, I can now sandpaper the silver glitter off the balls. There was a lot of glitter, as you can see the pile. I really didn't know how this would turn out, but actually sanding the balls has given me the look I'm looking for this mirror. Now that the spray paint has dried on all pieces, I will reattach all of the balls back to the LED lights and begin to assemble my Hollywood mirror. Please enjoy this DIY. In order for the 2 packs of lights to measure evenly around the frame, I will leave 1 bulb out of my string lights, and later in the video, you will see how I secured it to the back of the frame. Here is where I use the flower mesh for embellishment and to cover my wires. Now it's time to adhere the mirror to a 10 by 8 acrylic frame from Dollar Tree, which serves as a sturdy stand for the mirror. I will use E6000 for a permanent hold and hot glue for a more immediate hold to proceed with this DIY in the making of this video. I removed 2 excess balls from the string lights, exposing the LED bulb, and I'm cutting the rubber coating surrounding the tiny LED light so that it could lay flat when I secure it to the frame. I'm using a floor mat from Dollar Tree for the backing of the frame as a clean finish. I will cut it to size and secure it with hot glue. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Until the next one, God bless and bye for now.